When sizing for your child's school blazer, you will need their chest measurement in inches. To get this, take your tape measure around the fullest part of their chest, ideally without too many layers of clothing on. Don't pull the tape measure too tight, but don't leave too much give, as Trutex blazers are built with some growth room. When trying on, the blazer should have a little room at the shoulders, and the end of the arms should sit just below their wrist when their arms are by their side. Finally, check the fit by asking them to move their arms across their chest, making sure it feels comfortable and not too tight across the back. Top tip: use the age guides on the Trutex size charts to help choose the right size for your child. You can browse the size guides on the Trutex website.